Hi guys, in this video I want to create a nice shallow water river like this and this mountain. Okay, let's see what we have made. It's a nice river in the mountain. Okay, let's go. First thing first, open the editor, select new project, select third person as template, rename the project Mountain River. Okay, hit create. Okay, now let's go here to file, create new level, select basic level, delete this ground. Now let's save our level, air region 1. After saving this level, let's go here to landscape, import film file. You can get the height map file, link in description. Okay, select my height map, this one. And now go to scale for the z-axis, make 60. Hit import. Now this is my height map. Change the scale, the speed of the camera. Think it's fine. I save all. Now return here to selection mode. After brush, go to content drawer. Go to fab marketplace and search for a material for our landscape. NMW auto material. Auto. Okay, select this one. MW landscape auto material. Add to my project. Okay, downloading is finished. Close this and close the fab marketplace. After that, let's go here to my landscape auto material. Material is landscape. I want to choose one of them. I want to choose the one. Okay, this one. And select the landscape and go right here. What I want to do is to drag this one and the landscape material. Okay, fine. My landscape material is added correctly. Okay, I want to choose this place to create my river. Okay, now let's go here, save all. Return here, choose plug in, search for water. Select this one, water advance, and finally water extra. And restart the engine. Okay, after restarting the engine, we have this error. Okay, now don't close this error. Click once right here and close it. After that, close this. Okay, after that, let's go here to content drawer, return here to content, select my level, and now we wanna add my material. Okay, to make this river. Okay, let's choose, for example, this plate. For you, choose as you want, as place would you like. Okay, for me, it's tutorial. Okay, let's go here, search for water. We have those. Okay, for me, it's a river. What is select what are the river and hit complete. Mhm. Okay, it's not good like this. We have to fix this problem by progress this. Search for effect. Terrain effect landscape. Make this to untrue. Okay, make it here. Place this point. Like this point right here. and this point. Okay, let's make it better. What is the first point? This one. Adjust on the z-axis. Now, let's make it down. This point on the z-axis. This one. And this place I think is better. Now, press R and drag this one to create another point. Okay, Alt and drag it, create another point, make it down to make it nice. This one down. Create another point by selecting Alt. Okay. Another Alt. Make it things up. To make it like a nice river. Okay, you can drag it on of those. Okay, for me it's a tutorial. I want to show you how to make this for you. And then you can make it better than me. Alt. Okay. Now let's return right here. This is my water body icon. Now let's return here and choose form water. And select this shallow water line. Okay, fine. Now it's selected. Delete this one. Once it's selected, let's go down right here. Okay, this is simulation. Resolution max access. It's good. Source speed. All is fine. We want to change this one later. For me, I want to change this source saliva water body. Select this and choose this one. Okay, look at this. The color of the water is changed. Now let's make this water shallow. How to make that? You have to go here and search for the reason. Is it right here? And after that, after visiting this, where is simulation? And see this one.